Are you looking to boost your fitness and health with effective cardio workouts? Cardiovascular exercise is essential for a healthy heart, increased stamina, and overall well-being. In this guide, we'll explore a variety of cardio workouts that cater to different fitness levels and preferences. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to incorporate effective cardio workouts into your routine. And remember, we have a quick actionable cheat sheet at the end, so stick around. Key concepts. Let's dive into the key concepts of cardio workouts. 1. Understanding cardio exercises. Cardio exercises, also known as aerobic exercises, involve continuous, rhythmic activity that increases your heart rate and improves oxygen consumption. Popular examples include running, cycling, swimming, and dancing. 2. The importance of cardio training. Cardio training strengthens your heart and lungs, enhances circulation, and helps reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. It also plays a crucial role in weight management and boosts mental health by releasing endorphins. 3. Types of cardio workouts. There are various types of cardio workouts to choose from, each with its unique benefits. Low-intensity steady-state, LISS, workouts, like walking or light jogging, are great for beginners. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, workouts involve short bursts of intense activity followed by rest periods, making them effective for burning calories and improving fitness in a shorter time. 4. Setting realistic goals. Set achievable goals to keep yourself motivated and track your progress. Start with small targets, such as completing a 20-minute workout 3 times a week, and gradually increase the duration and intensity as your fitness improves. The impact on you. Incorporating effective cardio workouts into your routine can have a profound impact on your life, both emotionally and practically. 1. Emotional benefits. Cardio workouts are known to improve mood and reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. The release of endorphins during exercise creates a natural high, leaving you feeling more positive and energized. 2. Practical benefits. Regular cardio exercise enhances cardiovascular health, increases lung capacity, and improves overall endurance. It can also aid in weight loss and management, providing more energy for daily activities. 3. Real-life scenarios. Consider Emma, who started incorporating 30 minutes of cycling into her daily routine. Within a few weeks, she noticed increased stamina and a better mood. Or think of Mike, who used HIIT workouts to improve his cardiovascular fitness and lose weight. These real-life examples illustrate the practical benefits of effective cardio workouts. Practical tips and actionable advice. Here are some practical tips to help you get started with effective cardio workouts. Tip 1. Choose the right activity. Pick a cardio activity that you enjoy and that fits your fitness level. Whether it's running, cycling, swimming, or dancing, the key is to find something you look forward to doing. Tip 2. Warm up and cool down. Always start with a warm-up to prepare your muscles and end with a cool-down to help your body recover. This can prevent injuries and improve flexibility. Tip 3. Mix it up. Incorporate different types of cardio workouts into your routine to keep things interesting and prevent plateaus. Alternating between activities like running, cycling, and HIIT can keep your workouts exciting and effective. Tip 4. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after your workouts. Proper hydration is crucial for maintaining performance and aiding recovery. Tip 5. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body feels during and after exercise. If you experience pain or excessive fatigue, take a break and allow your body to rest. Techniques and habits. Incorporating these techniques and habits can enhance your cardio workouts. Technique 1. Interval training. Incorporate interval training into your routine by alternating between high-intensity bursts and low-intensity recovery periods. This can maximize calorie burn and improve cardiovascular fitness. Technique 2. Steady-state cardio. Includes steady-state cardio workouts like jogging or cycling at a moderate pace for an extended period. This can improve endurance and overall cardiovascular health. Technique 3. Cross-training. Mix different types of cardio exercises to work various muscle groups and prevent overuse injuries. For example, alternate between running, swimming, and cycling throughout the week. Habit 1. Consistency over intensity. Focus on maintaining a regular workout schedule rather than pushing for high intensity every session. Consistency is key to long-term fitness improvements. Habit 2. Set specific goals. Set clear, achievable goals to keep yourself motivated. Whether it's running a certain distance, cycling a specific route, or completing a set number of HIIT sessions, having goals can keep you on track. Habit 3. Track your progress. Use a fitness app or journal to record your workouts and monitor your progress. Tracking can help you see improvements over time and stay motivated. Quick actionable cheat sheet. To help you on your cardio journey, here's a quick actionable cheat sheet. Tip 1. Choose a cardio activity you enjoy and fits your fitness level. Tip 2. Always warm up before and cool down after your workouts. Tip 3. Mix up your cardio activities to prevent plateaus. Tip 4. Stay hydrated before, during, and after exercise. Tip 5. Listen to your body and take breaks when needed. Tip 6. Incorporate interval training for maximum calorie burn. Tip 7. Include steady-state cardio for improved endurance. Tip 8. Cross-train to work different muscle groups and prevent injuries. Tip 9. Focus on consistency over intensity. Tip 10. Set specific, achievable goals. Tip 11. Track your progress to stay motivated. Conclusion. Effective cardio workouts. Summarizing what we've discussed, incorporating effective cardio workouts into your routine can significantly enhance your fitness and overall health. Remember to choose activities you enjoy, set realistic goals, and stay consistent. Cardio workouts offer numerous emotional and practical benefits, making them a vital part of a healthy lifestyle. Thank you for watching, and take care of your health. Please leave a comment below, we would love to hear from you. For more help, guidance, and support, check the description below. Subscribe to our channel today so you can continue on with your self-improvement journey.